Hello, Beth the Builder here, and this week's Honest Guide to Home Repair is how to hang a door in a weird area in your home. So, I built a door for this. Check that video out. And I am 5'6" and I barely fit through this doorway. I don't know why they did this because there's plenty of height in my basement, like 7-8 feet. So I'm gonna take this whole frame out for this weird flappy dumb door, and then I'm gonna raise this to be a standard door height, because that's what my door is. It's standard. It's not a standard width because they framed this like crazy people, but that's fine. I don't care. It's a basement bathroom. We're gonna make do with what's here because I don't care about this bathroom that much. So that's what we're gonna do first, and then hopefully the actual door hanging will go really smoothly once there's an actual opening for it. Fingers crossed that that goes according to plan. But we all know that DIY projects always take 10 times longer than you're actually expecting them to. So bear with me. This is going to be demo and then the actual door hanging. Let's do it. Okay, so I've opened up the doorway, got rid of that dumb flopping door, and then this here is the door that I built. So, it is a normal height for a door because, I mean, duh. And I've got hinges, and we're gonna hang this. I'm gonna get a spacer thing to go at the bottom so there's a good like inch space at the bottom. Important tip, you obviously don't want your door tight against the bottom, against the floor, because then you won't be able to open it easily. And then I will replace the top thing once the door is in place with a piece of plywood or whatever the heck. I'll put something up there. But yeah, this is an 80-inch door. It is not a standard width, other than for like closets. I think you can have skinny doors for that, but we're not big fat people here, so I'm not really worried about it. It's also, you know, there's lots of things about this bathroom that are not standard, so I'm kind of not worried about it. In a perfect world, this whole bathroom would be gutted. It would have a new shower, a new door. It would be vented properly. It would have, my whole house would have new electrical. I would have a new furnace, all the things, okay? Perfect world for Beth, but that's not realistic. I don't have $45,000. So this is what we're doing for now. It looks really nice. Pretty proud of it. And let's do that. I'm gonna put the hinges on the door and then hang the door on a frame. God willing. I'm going to drill the holes into the frame for the screws that will go into the hinges on the door, and then hopefully hang it. And I checked that it's level, so hopefully it'll open and close correctly and everything. So Okay, look at here. We got a door hung. Whoa. It opens, it stays open, and it closes. My God, it's just incredible. So there are some issues with this because, I mean, I've never done this before. First of all, this wall here isn't square, so there's a gap at the bottom of the door where there is not up here. But I'm gonna chalk that up to like literally not my fault. Yeah, that's just not my fault. Not gonna worry about it. My door is a little bit thin, so getting my hinges on was a little bit of a issue because I'd like to use like really big bolts, but I can't because the door's not very thick. Secondly, the hinges did not come with the original bolts for them to go into the frame in the door, because they're vintage hinges that my mom found on like a garage sale or something, and she has like 15 of them, so I just used what I had. And honestly, I mean, I think it's still a big improvement. It closes, it stays closed, it can be open. I mean, come on, what else do you want from a door? I'm gonna put a lock on it. I mean, come on. Okay, yeah, I mean, I think it's a huge improvement. I think it looks way nicer than that janky folding door that was on it. It was also a weird ass height, so like what the heck is up with that? Yeah, huge improvement. This wasn't a hard DIY. I think the most annoying part was literally hanging it, which I kind of assumed it would be. That's why I was putting it off. Like I made this door like, I don't know, 3 months ago or something. So I was just nervous about hanging it because I've never done that before, and because of the way this friggin' bathroom is framed and everything, I kind of figured it would be a little bit harder than maybe you would want it to be. But all in all, like honestly, it wasn't that hard. So obviously if this was a normal size opening for a door, it would be really easy. I could just go buy a pre-made interior door and it would be no problem, but it's not. And obviously my thing is doing it with what I have and doing it for low cost. So I essentially had all of these materials and it was just time that I put into it. Yeah, I mean, this stuff isn't hard, and you know, be inspired to do it yourself because it's really not rocket science. Doing some internet searches, watching some videos, reading some books can get you pretty far. Okay, so I have a website now where you can find literally all the things. It has my Instagram, it has my Etsy shop, it has all the things. So it will bring you to all the places. It will be streaming my YouTube videos, and then you can learn more about me and all the shit that I do. So that is the first link in the description below. Please go check it out. Like if you think this shit is cool and it's helpful to you, share it with someone who maybe will be inspired by my handy lady, you know, can-do attitude. That would be great. Subscribe, or don't, you know what? Live your life. Go build a door. Whatever the fuck you want to do. Thank you to all who do watch and subscribe. I appreciate the friggin' heck out of you. And yeah, thanks for watching. Go build a door.